Installation of electric furnaces with molybdenum disilicide MoSi₂ heating elements. The installation of electric furnaces equipped with molybdenum disilicide MoSi₂ heating elements is a precision-driven process, critical to ensuring optimal performance, safety, and longevity. MoSi elements, renowned for high temperature resistance, up to 1800 C and thermal stability, require strict adherence to technical protocols during installation. First site preparation demands a level, load-bearing foundation with proper ventilation and humidity control, 85% non-condensing. Next, MoSi elements are carefully mounted, avoiding mechanical stress or contamination with secure electrical connections to prevent arcing. Electrical systems must match the furnace power specifications with reliable grounding resistance for ohms to mitigate safety risks. Post-installation, a gradual